Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will talk about new values and old values in the percentages with the help of two examples. One example is about percentage increase and the other example is about percentage decrease. Let's start. To understand the concept of new value, old value and the percentage change, consider the example. Here it is stated that the $360 cell phone I purchased was on sale for 20% off. What did I pay for my phone? Here we can notice that there are two prices of this phone. One is before the discount and other one is after the discount. The price which is before the discount, which is the original price, is $360. We call this value as the old value. The discount rate is also given and we call this rate as percentage change. The new value, which is the price after the discount, have not given and we have to find this value. To find this value, we need to find the discounted amount. This discounted amount is the actual change, that is 20% of 360. That is 20 over 100 into 360. After simplification, we have $72. When we subtract $72 from the original amount, that is 360, we have $288. Means the final price, the discounted price of the cell phone is $288. We have another method to solve the same problem. To solve this problem, we can use this formula, that is new value is equal to 100 plus minus percentage change over 100 into old value. Here the old value is 360 and percentage change is 20. When we put these values in the formula, we have 100 minus 20 over 100 into 360. 100 minus 20 makes 80. So 80 over 100 into 360. Finally, we have 8 into 36 and hence the new value is 288. Means the discounted price of the cell phone is $288. Here we have an example of percentage increase. In this example, the height of a plant is given, that is 40 centimeter. After 1 week, the height of plant is increased by 10% and we have to find the height of plant after 1 week. The height of plant, that is 40 centimeter, is the old value. The percentage change is 10% and the height, that is after 1 week, is the new value and we have to find this value. To find the new value, we have a formula, that is new value is equal to 100 plus P over 100 into old value. When we put these values in the formula, we have new value is equal to 100 plus 10 over 100 into 40. 100 plus 10 is equal to 110 over 100 into 40. Finally, we have 11 into 4 and hence we have 44 as the final answer. Means after 1 week, the height of the plant is 44 centimeter. In these two examples, we used these two formulae. Notice the difference. For percentage increase, we have a positive sign inside the bracket in the formula, and for percentage decrease, we have a negative sign inside the bracket. Although there is no importance from exam point of view of this derivation, but it is good to have a look at this. In next video, we will talk about the reverse percentages. Take care. Allah Hafiz.